Hello guys, what is up? I'm back again after just pondering about what to upload, and I while thinking, I just realized that I'm really not an original person. Everything I could think of was just like, oh, ask everybody what to make, and I was I just realized how unoriginal that is, and I really wanted to think of something that I hadn't done yet, but I couldn't, and hopefully I can, because I really want to start uploading again since it's been really boring. So yeah, I'm doing Chats Rubbish Roleplays. I don't know what this is. You know what? I don't know if this is a trash chat or a rubbish roleplay, but I'm gonna read this and see what it is. Yeah, I'm in the Fortnite Amino. I don't know, I just thought it'd be a really cool idea to do that because that's really cool. And we're in the City Cat Club. It's run by Kit. Welcome to the CCC, better known as the Kitty Cat Club. This is a place for any cat lover and or cat related person in the Fortnite Amino. I am Kit, your personal guide into this wonderful and lovely club out in the middle of the water. Oh, okay. Come and join us for a round of drinks or relax and play some volleyball. I'm sorry. The possibilities are virtually endless, although if you want to join the Kitty Cat Club, why did he spell it right that time, but none of the other times? There are a few rules that you need to learn first. No 18 and up, because no one wants to see that. Don't bully others, because this is a place for everyone to feel comfortable. I don't want to see anybody feel hurt. Please don't spam. Please note overabundance of injuries are extremely gory injuries. Be safe and have fun. Okay, with that out of the way. Oh, look at the members. Who is this? Okay. Yeah, people join the conversation. He started it. Hello, I'm new. Oh, well, it's nice to meet you. Somebody leaves in the middle of their conversation. Thanks. No problem. Pets. Purr. Aw. So cute. Rolls on my back. Belly rubs. Purr. Aw. Sits. Lays in your lap. Aw. Meow. Pets. Meow. Hugs back. Look at how tiny he is. Is this guy like a gnome too? I don't know, that was the first thing I thought of when I'm thinking of small people. Hugs back. Hi. Walk away with Kit. Meow. Mind. The fact. Looks at crack shot and where? Okay, somebody must have been crack shot before. Where? See crack shot. Meow. Hugs. Purr. Meowsles goes first and joining the conversation. Purr. Aw, two cats. Meow. Mew. Wow. Meow. Pets the Meowskull and Kit. Purrs. Gets in Meowskull's lap. As I purr, he rubbed your head. Meow. Purr. Faces. Why? And then we have ooh. I can't say these things. Well, I can, but I don't want to. Meow. Hey guys. Hello. This is what it's come down to. Meow. Hello, uwu. Howdy, uwu. How are you? Pretty good. How about you? I'm doing okay. That's wonderful. Yeah, uwu. What do you want to do? I don't know, really. Well, we can do simple talk. Okay, how's your day? It's been okay, how about you? That's nice, mine have been decent. Boring mostly. Oh, okay. Yeah. Ooh, meow. Mewo. Mewo uwu. Meow. Mewo uwu. Pats are small. Uwu, uwu, owo, meow, moo, oh, cuddles, purrs, uwu, I got hoot hoot. So this is a role play. This is a role play. Picture of owl in Fortnite. I don't know what the real name is, so I'm just gonna call it a hoot hoot. How do you grind the level so fast? I'm at 27 and I play all day almost. Boring. No one cares about in-game stuff. Oh no. We got the boss in here. Big Daddy Meowsles join the conversation. Is my son here? No, frick. Ye sits, woo, pets, purrs, good kitty. I is here, I think. Sup, son? Baps ya knee with my paw. You're learning how to build. Big brain. Sup? Ooh, huh, a hoot, 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 hoot. Meow, hoot, rar. Ooh, you're a fabulous invention, just like my motorbike robot. Ooh, hoot, hoot, meow, ooh, meow, mew, ooh, meow, meow, ooh, cuddles, ooh, meow, mew, me, mum. Mew, ooh, mew, 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 meow. Meow. Hi, ooh, Falls, are you okay? Yeah, good, yo. Ooh, where's my son? Yo, we're getting some action. I thought it was dead for now, but we're getting some action. But we gotta wait to get there. So, where's my son? I don't know. Damn. Yo, hey, ooh, really? Meow, sup son, ooh, cat, cuddles, oh, mew, not much, meow, ooh, mew, meow, nuzzles, ooh, purrs, mew, meow, meow, my son is black now. Cuddles, wait, why do you laugh? Heh. Hops on your head and plays with your ears, heh. Bites your ear lightly, cute, mew, see all the meowsles, mew. Meow, catbot gives thumbs up, hugs all meow skulls, hugs back, ooh, hugs my dad, hiss. You hissing? Meow, mew, meow, sits and get cricket bat. What? Tuete. Positive bird in the distance. Hi, hops on Link's head as I hide in her hood. Thick. K. Zzz. Zzz. Is asleep. Smacks. Oh whoa. I think he died. Oof. Heh. Ow. Hiss. Son, I'm gonna teach you how to use a combat shotgun today. It's arguably the best shotgun we can use. I is small though. Okay, fine, I'll use a silenced pistol. Agreed. Shotgun is best. Mew, meow, looks at the pistol. Okay, point something and pull the trigger. Not me. Points it at a can and pulls the trigger as I fall back. Ow. Are you okay? Ooh. Picks him up. Mew, 9. Cute, thick, yes. Rubs my head. Ooh, ooh, oh. More action. Owie, you okay, son? I hit my head. Why? How? Gun go boom. Yes, it does. Yeah, guns do that. I hit head on wall. Oof, but I made something new. Like, hands you a shotgun with an air compressor on top. What's this? Charge shotgun. Explain, son. You hold down the trigger. It begins to charge up the line. Just an explanation of the gun in the game right now. Oh, okay. You pull the trigger. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Hi, son. Hi, uwu. Yes. Today I'm gonna teach you how to get a girlfriend. What the heck? You don't teach a kid that. He's old enough. How old is he again? I don't know. I have one. Yo. Baby Meowscles has a... Oh, whoa. You do? Yeah, but she's not here. Cleans myself. Who is she? Kitty girl. Link? Yee. What? Send a link to their profile, son. They're not on this amino. Okay. Mew. Ziz. Okay. Ziz. Mew. 3. Cuddles. Oh, wait. This is right now. Cuddles. Ziz. Purrs. Cuddles dad. I just realized how sick I sound when I'm doing these. Okay, reflecting on this. This is the point where I realized that doing trash chats and rubbish roleplays is actually kind of boring. But it's still pretty funny to just react to all of these. Just like I didn't see this before. I just picked out a random chat that looked funny, and I picked correctly. And now, yeah, I guess Kitty Cat Club was the best chat to join to get extra comedy that they weren't intending to. You know what? Okay, all in all, this Trash Chats and Rubbish Roleplays episode, I'd have to rate it an 8 out of 10. And that is it. See you guys in the next video, which should probably be in about another 5 months. Hope you all have a good day or night, and goodbye.